Hello, good evening, my students. Welcome to this class that I want to hold by this time of the day. Please, this is Igbo Junior WAEC past question. Igbo L2. Igbo L2. So, and before we start, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well and subscribe to the channel and click on that bell icon so that anytime we release a new video, you will be notified. God bless you. Okay, let us start. Please get your last well. Get your last well, because that is where we will base our reading of the past question this evening. So please, I will start with section 1, which is Agụcha Aza. This is Igbo L2 2016 past question. That is what I want to solve now. Igbo L2 2016 past question. As you might have known, I have solved 2017. So check it up in our YouTube channel. Search it 2017 past question Igbo L2. You'll be able to see it. So what I'm doing now is 2016. Okay, I will read the comprehension, which is under section 1. Agụcha Aza. I will read it and explain to you. Nne Ọma, one paragraph. Nne Ọma na Ada Obi bụ ezi enyi. Ha bụ ndị obodo Ojono nke dị na Ebonyi steeti ma lụkwa di na Mbanta dịkwa na Ebonyi steeti. He's saying that Nneoma and Adaobi, they are good friends. They are good friends and they are from Ojono, which is, that community is in Ebonyi state. And they, as the case may be, they got married in the same, in a community called Mbanta, that is in the same Ebonyi state. Okay, let me continue. Aha di Nneoma bụ Uzonna. So it says that the name of Nneoma's husband is called Uzonna. Ha mụtara ụmụ atọ. They gave birth to 3 children. Ụmụ means children. Mụtara means gave birth. Ha mụtara ụmụ atọ. They gave birth to 3 children. Uche, Chisom na Chima. Then their names are Uche, Chisom, and Chima. Aha di Adaobi bụ Adile. So the name of Adaobi's husband is Adile. Adile. Ha mụtara ụmụ abụọ. They gave birth to 2 children. They gave birth to 2 children. Nkwachi na Nzubechi. The name of their children is Nkwachi and Nzubechi. Ụmụ nwanyị abụọ a kwadoro gawa ahịa Nkwọ Egwu dị n'Ụmụ Ahịa. So these 2 women, they prepared and they started going to the market that is called Nkwọ Egwu, that is in Ụmụ Ahịa. The market is in Ụmụ Ahịa. Di Adaobi bugara ha n'ahịa. So Adaobi's husband carried them in his car to the market. Nneoma zụtara azụ. Nneoma bought fish. Nneoma zụtara azụ, anụ, mmanụ, ogiri, ose na nnu. So Nneoma bought fish, meat. Anụ means azụ means fish. Anụ means meat. Mmanụ means oil, but it could be red oil or groundnut oil. And the ogiri. Ogiri is a special delicacy. Because we can have ogiri okpei, which is English this thing. I don't know what they call it in English anyway. But it's a special delicacy for using in cook for Igbo language. Then she as well bought pepper, which is ose. Ose means pepper. Na nnu means salt. Then ebe Adaobi zụtara ụgụ. Then Adaobi bought ụgụ, ose, anyịnya, anụ na nzu. Adaobi now bought pumpkin, which is vegetable, bought pepper, which is ose, bought anyịnya is vegetable as well, bought anụ, which is meat, na nzu as well. Then ha gafere obodo anọ tupu ha erute ahịa ahụ. They passed through 4 communities before they get to the market. Mgbe ha zụchara, when they finish buying things, ha jiri ụgbọala bus lọta. They use commercial transport, which is bus, and came back to their houses. But nke ha kwụrụ ọkwọ ụgbọala, nke ha kwụrụ ọkwọ ụgbọ ara naira 3 n'otu. Then they paid the driver 3 naira each of them. So that is that for the comprehension. They will now enter into the questions. Okay. Remember it's Igbo L2. Question number 1 says, look at zaa ajụjụ ndị a 1 to 10. Zaa ajụjụ ndị a 1 to 10. Number 1 says, mmadụ ole pụtara ihe na ederede a? How many people are there in this write-up? You have A is C, B asaa, C asatọ, D 9, E 10. The answer is D, which is 9. 9 means 9. Okay, let's count them. The 2 husband and the wife. One had 3 kids, which is 5 already. The 2 husband and the wife. The other one had 2 kids. Okay, it is 9. The answer is 9, which is D. 9 means 9. As I told you before, 9 could be called iteyete. It's the same 9. Iteyete, or when you see iteyete or 9, it means 9. Okay, question number 2. Kedu aha ahịa ha gara? What is the name of the market that they went to? What is the name of the market that they went to? Kedu aha ahịa ha gara? A. Afọ egwu. B. Eke egwu. C. Nkwọ egwu. D. Nkwọ ukwu. E. Orie egwu. Then the answer of number 2 is C, which is Nkwọ egwu. Then number 3, ụmụnne Ọma dị ole? That's what it's supposed to be. So Nneoma's children are how many? Number 3, Nneoma's children are how many? A, we have abụọ, B, atọ, C, anọ, D, ise, E, isii. Then the answer is atọ. As according to the comprehension, you observe that Nneoma had 3 children. Had the Nneoma bụ ụzọ amụtara ụmụ Nneoma had 3 children, which is alphabet B atọ means 3. Number 4, gịnị bụ aha di Adaobi? What is the name of Adaobi's husband? Okay, A is Adiele, B Nkwachi, C Uzubechi, D Uche, E Uzonna. The answer is A, which is Adiele. Number 4, A, which is Adiele. Then question number 5, obodo ole ka ha gafere tupu ha erute ahịa ahụ? Obodo ole ka ha gafere tupu ha erute ahịa ahụ? How many communities or towns did they pass through before they get to the market? Okay, A is abụọ, C is atọ, A is abụọ, B is atọ, C is anọ, D is ise, E is isii. The answer to the question is C, which is anọ. They pass through 4 communities or towns before they got to the place. Now, number 6 question says, ego ole ka ha kwụrụ ụgbọ ọkwọ ụgbọ? How much did they pay the bus driver? A is abụọ, B is atọ, E is anọ, D is asaa, E is asatọ. The answer is B. Number 6 answer is B, which is atọ, which is atọ. Okay, let's get to the question number 7. Kedu aha ihe akpọghị aha ha zụtara? A, anụ, B, okay. That question means what are the things that they did not mention here that they bought? A, anụ, B, azụ, C, ede, D, okay, E, ose. The answer is ede because they did not buy the ede, which is cocoyam, which is number 7 answer is C, which is ede. They did not buy ede. Okay, number 8, kedu aha state ha? Which state did they come from? What is the name of their state? Okay, then A, Ebonyi, B, Mbanta, C, Nkwo, D, Ojono, E, Umuahia. Okay, the name of their state is Ebonyi. So the answer to number 8 is A, which is Ebonyi. Okay, number 9 question says, kedu aha obodo ha? What is the name of their community or town? A is Mbanta, B is Mbata, C is Nkworo, okay, D is Ojono, E is Umuahia. Okay, number 9 answer is D, which is Ojono. 2 of them came from Ojono. All right. Okay, number 10, which is the last question for that section, is kedu onye bugara Nneoma na Akaji ahịa? Okay, who took Nneoma and the friend to the market? A is Adiele, B is Nneoma, C is Nkwora, D is Uche, E is Uzonna. The answer to number 10 is A, which is Adiele, Alright, so this is where we'll stop, come to an end to to today's lesson. In our next class, we are going to enter section 2, Mkparịta Ụka. God bless you. So please, this is Wuzie Academy HSA, an education agency. We train or teach our students online and offline. Under online, we use Zoom and Cisco WebEx. And we prepare common entrance candidates, pupils to, we prepare them for their common entrance. We teach mathematics, English, and other science subjects, both in SS classes and the JS classes. If you need our services, contact us on 081-3357-7465. Thank you. In this channel, we believe in knowledge. We believe in knowledge. So pursue knowledge. Thank you very much.